Welcome. This demo walks through the end-to-end shipping process in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Meet Megacart Online, a leading marketplace managing thousands of orders each day. To reduce escalating shipping costs associated with a single carrier model, Microsoft Dynamics 365 enables intelligent rate comparison across multiple carriers, optimizes shipping charges, consolidates items for cost efficiency, automates pickup scheduling, and provides real-time delivery tracking, ensuring complete visibility and control throughout the shipping lifecycle. Let's begin with shipping configuration. Here, FedEx, UPS, and USPS have been set up with all the necessary account and service details. Once configured, these carriers are automatically available during order processing, allowing Megacart to seamlessly choose the most cost-effective option, ensuring every shipment is fast, reliable, and optimized for cost efficiency. Now let's create a new order. Begin by completing the mandatory fields: name, price list, shipping warehouse, shipping address, and contact. Microsoft Dynamics 365 automatically validates each entry for accuracy. You can also use the Smart Paste Assist toolbar to quickly populate order details, ensuring precise data entry, correct shipping charges, and on-time delivery. With the customer and product details finalized, navigate to the Shipping Options section within the product record. Here, specify the quantity of items to be shipped and proceed to the next step. Dynamics 365 automatically retrieves and displays real-time rate comparisons across carriers, UPS, FedEx, and USPS, based on service type, delivery speed, and cost. After evaluating the available options, select FedEx, Standard Overnight for fast and reliable delivery, and click Confirm to proceed with the shipment setup. In the Maintain Chart section, review the comprehensive shipping snapshot, which includes key details such as shipping name, total amount, fixed charge, handling charge, weight, and product ship details. For example, a high-value electronic item. All these fields are automatically populated by Dynamics 365, ensuring accuracy and eliminating manual data entry. Next, set the pickup date for the shipment. Initially, the status will appear as estimated, indicating a tentative schedule. Click Confirm Pickup, select the desired date, such as 10 Octa, and submit the request. Once confirmed, the status updates to Confirmed, and Dynamics 365 automatically generates a tracking number for the shipment. Simultaneously, the shipping label is prepared, allowing you to open Print Label to review, verify, and print the label for accurate and timely dispatch. The shipment is automatically logged to the timeline, providing full visibility across the order lifecycle. Click on the entry to view the real-time status. For example, it may show Delivered once completed. If adjustments are required, the Cancel Shipping option allows you to halt the shipment, giving you complete control over the process. To ship multiple products together, return to the order and select items. Choose boxes, then a box size. For example, medium with predefined dimensions. Dynamics 365 fetches quantity, dimensions, and weight automatically and updates charges in real time. Compare services and choose FedEx, Priority Overnight. Confirm and proceed, just like a single item shipment, ensuring accurate charges and smooth pickup scheduling. Thanks for watching. Dynamics 365 helps Megacart ship smarter and faster.